This is the introduction about dark web. The dark web is a hidden part of the internet that cannot be accessed using regular search engines such as Google or Yahoo. It requires special software like the Tor browser to enter, while the dark web can be used for legal purposes such as protecting privacy and freedom of speech. It's also known for legal activities including cybercrimes, hacking, illegal trading, and identity theft. Understanding the dark web is important. ICT studies help users become aware of online risks, cybersecurity threats, and the importance of responsible and safe use of internet. Number 2. Are there any ICT threats discussed in the film? If so, please elaborate. The film built around the danger of the dark web, a hidden part of the internet not searchable by normal search engines and often associated in media with illegal activity. The character discover disturbing files and connections to a dark web network. After accessing a laptop, they found that this reflect concern about how parts of the internet can host unregulated and harmful content, and how easy it can be in fiction to stumble into things you should read. A major trend shown in unauthorized access to computer and network. The laptop the group finds is already compromised, and the antagonist can remotely manipulate the device access webcams and communicate with the group through their screen. The most obvious threats in the film is hacking. After the main character finds a laptop, unknown hacker remotely access the computer, views files, and take control of the system. They also manage to interact with the group online calls, showing how cybercrime could exploit insecure device. The films reveal that the laptop contains a huge archive of video apparently recorded from other people's camera without their knowledge. This represents a serious privacy threat, similar to real malware that can hijack webcams and collect personal data without permission. Number 4. The film shown how using laptop does not belong that you can expose to serious danger. This teaches us never to access unknown device wisely because they may contain malware or connected to criminal activities. The character, personal information, webcam, and message are easily accessed by hackers. This highlights the importance of protecting personal data using strong password and being cautious about what we share online. The movie demonstrates that the dark web is not mysterious but can also place where illegal and harmful activities occur. This reminds viewers to avoid exploiting hidden parts of the internet out of curiosity. While ICT tools like video calls and messaging help people connect, the film shows how that same technology can be abused for surveillance, manipulate, and crime. The film emphasizes the need to understand basic cybersecurity